Everyone. It's Thursday, it's 8:52, and this is your pre-open comment. The jobless claim numbers came in at 6.6 million versus what was expected, 5 million. And the PPI producer index, the overall index came in at plus 0.2%. Expectations were for minus 0.4%. And the core PPI came in at plus 0.2 versus expectations of minus 110. The gold is up $30, and the dollar really hasn't moved all that much. The focus on oil, I haven't seen anything yet about the OPEC meeting, but oil is up $1.26, and the bonds are up about a half. The Fed came out and announced another 2.3 trillion in programs to support the economy. And it now looks like the Dow is going to be up about 180. The NASDAQ is really not doing much, nor is the S&P, both well under 1%. I'm going to guess that there's something in the Dow specifically that has moved up, because 15 minutes ago we were only up 200. Mnuchin's going to talk at 9:20. Couldn't get much more much more transparent as far as motivation that they bring him on 10 minutes before the market opens. This shows the S&P, and I just have to go back to support and resistance here. The support would appear to be in this 26-26-20 area. Resistance is from right where we are right up through 28.5. Now, when we broke to the upside and broke the downtrend, we got into resistance and then came back to where we broke out from. Consolidated for a couple of days, went up and broke out again and continued higher. The normal expectation here would be for a move back into this area here around 2620, 2640 as support before breaking out above 2800. The market is impossible to read that way. We bad news. Fortunately, we've started to see up action even with bad news, which is really a particularly good sign. The most absurd thing that I have seen today is a report that the Chinese baseball season is about to open, and the Rakuten monkeys are going to place robot mannequins in the stands because people will not be allowed. Interesting. I also think that the volume may turn out to be a bit on the light side. Bonds close early today, and we have no market tomorrow, so it's kind of a toss-up. Do you go into the weekend 3 days of with some support for being short, or do you roll the dice and think, well, good news over that 3 days? I don't have a clue. Have a good day and be careful.